So guys, 2026 is shaping up to be huge for MacBooks, and one of the most exciting updates on the way is the brand new MacBook Air with Apple's M5 chip. And honestly, this one could be a big deal. Let's start with where we are right now. About a year ago, Apple released the M4 MacBook Air, which brought solid performance upgrades and even introduced that gorgeous sky blue color. It came with a 10-core CPU, made up of 6 efficiency cores and 4 performance cores, and up to a 10-core GPU. But what really made the M4 Air a hit was the price. We've seen deals dropping it as low as $749, which is insane value. And that's exactly why the 13-inch MacBook Air remains Apple's best-selling MacBook. So, what's next? M5 chip performance. The biggest and most obvious upgrade is the M5 chip. We already know what it's capable of because Apple rolled it out in late 2025 with the MacBook Pro, iPad Pro, and Vision Pro 2. Performance-wise, the M5 delivers around 15% faster CPU performance compared to M4. Up to a massive 45% GPU performance boost. Improved memory bandwidth, which helps with multitasking and creative work. For the base MacBook Air M5, expect an 8-core GPU by default, with a paid upgrade option to unlock the full GPU, pretty typical Apple behavior. But even the base model should be more than powerful enough for everyday users. Design and display. Now, if you're hoping for a redesign, don't get your hopes up. Apple has been using the current MacBook Air design since 2022, and it's not changing this generation. That also means crossmark no OLED display, crossmark no mini LED, crossmark no promotion or 120 Hz. The screen stays the same. The only possible visual change? New colors. A green or pink option could happen, but that's about it. Release date. So when is it coming? All signs point to a spring 2026 launch, with the most likely release window being early March. That lines up perfectly with Apple's macOS update schedule, meaning we're honestly not that far away. Price. As for pricing, things look stable, for now. If Apple keeps prices consistent, the MacBook Air M5 should start at $999. And just like previous models, expect discounts within a few months after launch. The 15-inch MacBook Air M5 will also return, featuring the full 10-core CPU and GPU, starting with 16 GB of RAM on both sizes. Final thoughts. So overall, the MacBook Air M5 isn't a radical redesign, but it doesn't need to be. It's faster, more efficient, and still one of the best value laptops you can buy. Are you upgrading this year, or sticking with your current MacBook? Let me know in the comments below down finger. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more Apple leaks and updates, and I'll see you in the next one.